viewers, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this super crispy, spicy and flavorful masala wedges. If you are new to my channel, then please make sure that you subscribe. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe. Anyways, let's not waste any time. I'll just get on with the recipe. So I've got one big potato here and I'm going to cut into thick slices. Now I'll be cutting them into long strips or wedges. I always try my best to keep the video as short as possible so I'm not wasting your time. So my choppings are done. I'm going to wash these babies really well. I washed them for about 3 to 4 times, but if your potato has more mud on it, then you probably have to wash it more. Grab a pan and add some water, and we're going to boil these potato wedges up to 80% with some salt. By the way, you can also check out my other recipes. I will leave one of the link at the top right hand corner so you can click on it to watch it. Anyways, let's put the lid on and bring it to boil. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'll be showing you all the ingredients that you will need to make the batter. In a bowl, add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix all the spices really well. In here, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of plain flour. Let's give it a nice mix, and I'll be adding some water in here. Add 60 ml of water in here and give it a nice mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and this is the last time you have to combine everything together. This is the exact consistency that you need. Let's keep this aside and check on the wedges if they are ready. Press it with your fingers to check how much is cooked. It should be cooked about 80% and 20% should be raw. Now I will strain the potato wedges and keep going until there's no more drops of water. Next, you will have to place them on a tissue paper and pat dry really well. Make sure you be very gentle while you're pressing so they don't break apart. Now place them in a bowl and add the batter mixture that you prepared earlier. Very carefully combine everything together. If you are enjoying watching my recipe, I would really appreciate if you could please give it a thumbs up. Anyways, these babies are ready to fry, so let's move on to the final step. I've got preheated oil here. I'm going to add the wedges one at a time. Make sure to fry them on medium flame so it'll be perfectly cooked inside and it will not be burnt from outside. After a minute, this is what they look like. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. My recipes are really simple to try at home and I promise you they're really tasty too. If you want to get to know me more, then you guys can follow me on social media too. That's Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So I've been frying these babies for about 4 to 5 minutes and I can see that it's perfectly cooked and it has the perfect golden brown color. So let's take them out from the oil. Just to remind you for the last time, if you do like watching my videos, then please give it a thumbs up. Let's look at these potato wedges now. As you can see, it is really crispy from outside. It's covered with full of flavors. Inside they're really fluffy and super tasty, I promise you. So that's it for today. I'm going to enjoy this masala wedges with my family. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end and I will see you in my next video. Take care.